Just in from the National Hurricane Center, the 8 o'clock update on Ian. Still a tropical storm, 60-mile-per-hour winds moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. Central pressures down to 991. The rapid intensification has officially begun. Here is the latest track. By Monday afternoon, 80-mile-per-hour winds. Tuesday into Wednesday, 120, 125-mile-per-hour winds. That is a very strong hurricane, but as it nears the Florida area, it is going to weaken to a Category 2 or a Category 1. The track is incredibly similar compared to the 5 o'clock update. We're still expecting landfall anywhere from the Florida Panhandle all the way down as far east as Fort Myers. That's anytime Thursday heading into Friday. Again, that is the latest update from Ian. Still a tropical storm, but it is strengthening.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.